I am a full-time worker, a full-time student, and at the same time, I am very consistent with my YouTube channel. And I've seen a lot of you asking me, Tovia, how do you manage to stay very consistent with YouTube? And this is why I decided to share with you guys my top 7 tips on how I have been able to stay very consistent with my YouTube channel, even with my busy schedule. If you want to know, you know what it is. Watch this video to the very end. Hey Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun, back again with another exciting video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. If you'd like to get a shout like these people, all you need to do is to be consistent on my YouTube channel, and then you'll get a shout from me on my next video. Consistency got me monetized on YouTube. If you know me very well, you will know that I am one of those people who is very consistent with our YouTube channel, because I post every week, and yet I still have my work that I go to every single day from Monday to Fridays, and I also have university that I do attend as well 4 days a week. Now think about that, yet I still post every single time. So that's why I decided to share with you guys my top 7 tips on how you could stay very consistent with your YouTube channel. If you want to know, you know what it is. Watch this video to the very end. Without further talk, let's just dive into this video. So guys, the first thing I need to tell you, and you must take this very seriously, is if you decide to make YouTube a side hustle or part-time job or full-time job, or you want to just be doing it as an hobby and you want to be consistent, the first thing you must know and you need to take note of is you gotta prioritize it like you would do with your job, with every other things you're doing, or with your education. You need to take YouTube very serious, because if you're not ready to be serious with it, you will not be able to be consistent. You will not be able to do all of the things I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. So the first thing is you got to take it as a priority. You got to make it a priority if you want all of these tips to work for you. So let's dive into the first tip. Now, my first tip to be consistent on YouTube is to have video ideas always ready. Now guys, this is one thing that helped me, because I have a notebook and sometimes I just use the notes on my phone to actually write out videos out there. I always make sure that I have videos idea ready if I want to be consistent on YouTube. So if you don't know where you can find video ideas, you can follow YouTubers on your niche. Just subscribe to them, turn on your post notifications. Whenever you see them post any video, you can make your own version of that video. Don't copy them, don't say words by words. Just get their title. For example, they are posting about how to do classic makeup. You can make your own how to do classic makeup, but make it your own version, make it your own video. Don't copy whatever they say. So that's one way you can get video ideas. Another way you can also get video ideas is by going on YouTube search button and just search it up yourself. Video ideas for cooking niche, video ideas for beauty niche, or gaming niches. Whatever niche you are, you can just search up video ideas. So the first thing is you want to make sure that you have video ideas ready. Get your book, write out as many video ideas that you can. Anyone that is in your own personal brain, write it down. Anyone you copy from other people, write down the video ideas. So that's the first thing you must do to be consistent. This is one thing I always do. I always have video ideas ready ahead of time, ahead of when I want to film, because you must have video ideas to be able to get the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh tip that I'll be sharing with you. If you don't have video ideas, those other tips won't work for you. So the first thing is to have video ideas ready always. So my second tip to actually stay consistent on YouTube is to have a filming day. So you want to pick a day of the week, maybe a day you know you'll be finishing work on time, or a day you know you don't have a lot doing, or you don't have a lot doing in school or college or university. So just pick that day as your filming day. You can film very early in the morning, before the time you normally wake up. Let's say you normally wake up at 6 in the morning. You can choose just one day to wake up at 4 o'clock or 5 a.m. depending on how fast you are with your makeup or dressing or filming. You can wake up 2 hours before your normal time and then film. or you can film in late hour of the day, maybe once everybody has gone to bed, if you have other people living with you, or once you just get back from work, you've eaten, you can just film instantly. For me, what I normally do is once I return from work that day, I have planned to film. So once I just get back from work, I don't eat or shower first. The first thing I do is just get my makeup on and just make the video, just make everything out of the way. So once I've done the video, then I'll go ahead and shower and eat and know that I am done with it. So this is what I normally do sometimes, most times, a lot of times. So this is what I do a lot. So you can also learn that, or you can film very early. And again, this tip will really work for you if you already have video ideas ready. Like I said in tip number 1, once you have enough video ideas ready, you've planned those videos ahead. If you're filming on your filming day, you don't get lost on what to say or what to film about, because you already have ideas ready. You already choose, okay, on this day I'm going to film this idea first, or stuff like that. And make sure if you've planned to film on a Wednesday, at least by Tuesday or Monday, any day you're free, you should always prepare your studio or the place you normally film ahead, so that once you're filming on a Wednesday, all you need to do is just apply your makeup, dress up, and then sit there. Everything is ready for you to actually film. So another thing I want to say concerning your filming day is, for example, you plan to film on a Thursday, but during the week, let's say on a Monday, Tuesday, or on Wednesday, you ended up being free, so you didn't have anything to do in any of these days. One thing I must advise you is go ahead and film that very day that you are free. Even though you've planned to film on a Thursday and you were free on a Tuesday, film that day. Get that video ideas that you prepared as my number 1 tip, and film it for on Tuesday or Wednesday that you're free. It doesn't matter if you plan to film on a Thursday and then you ended up being free on a Tuesday. Film that day that you are free. It isn't compulsory that it is on Thursday means it is on Thursday. No, if you're free any other day of the week, go ahead and film it. Now my third tip, which is my most favorite tip, which is a tip I learned all by myself, and it has really been like the best tip for me, is to film more than 2 videos a day, or more than 1 video a day. So any day you plan to film, make sure that you are not filming 1 video that day. This is one thing that has really helped me to be consistent. Before, if today is my filming day, I am going to film just 1 video that day. If it's next week I decide to film, I will still film 1 video again. And if I don't have any other video, I won't be able to film. So make sure once you plan to film, that day that you've planned to film your videos, make sure you're not filming 1 video that day. This won't help you when it comes to consistency. Make sure you're filming at least 2 or 3 videos. If you can, at least 2 is perfect. Because if maybe the following week you were too busy and you were unable to film a video, that video that you filmed before, you can always upload that video instead, and then you can just chill. Even if you didn't film the following week, you already have video waiting for you to post. Make sure you're filming more than 2 videos a day, and this again will work very well if you have video ideas prepared for you. If you've done the tip number 1, once you prepare your camera, it doesn't matter even if you don't change your clothes, because I used to do this a lot. I will plan to film maybe 3 videos a day, and I'll prepare 3 different dresses, and then once I have filmed 1, and then I go around change for the second cloth. Sometimes I will even have my hair like this. And so one thing I will advise you, it doesn't matter, you don't have to change your clothes. That was me before, but now I don't even care. I don't change anymore. I just go ahead and film with 1 shirt that day, and nobody cares about what you're wearing. That's just the truth. If I'm coming to your video to learn how to browse the internet or how to play a game, I come for that and not to check what you're wearing. I'm not interested. Even there are people who wear merge. For example, people in the 2-body community, you see them wearing only 1 color, like the 2-body merge, the 2-body t-shirt. They just wear that for all of their videos, and nobody go around questioning why are you wearing 1 shirt, why are you not changing. That doesn't matter. So this again go with if you decide to film more than 2 videos a day. So don't worry yourself about changing your clothes. You can always wear 1 cloth and just film 2 videos or 3 videos without 1 shirt. Nobody cares. I do that. Nobody has ever come to me and be like, Tovia, why are you wearing 1 shirt? If you don't like me wearing 1 shirt, then get me a shirt. Buy me something and I'll wear whatever you want. Okay? So just remember, you want to film more than a video or 2 or 3, depending on how much you have prepared for it and depending on how much your strength can actually carry. So my 4th tip, which is a tip I really love because I discovered this tip by myself, and this tip is edit as you go. Now, what does that actually mean? So I am that type that actually travels at least 50 minutes every single day to my workplace. I travel 50 minutes to the place. When I'm coming back again, I'm spending another 50 minutes on the bus. So what I normally do during those 50 minutes is just put my earphones on and just be listening to music. But later I was like, Tovia, you can do something with those 50 minutes. So what I normally do now is I edit my videos when I'm on the bus. So if you're the type that actually edit with your phone like me, because I edit my videos from my phone, you can actually edit while you're on the bus. Just put on your earphones and then be editing. Nobody cares. It's not that people are going to come over there and talk with you, especially now that it's during COVID. People don't sit together, so everybody just sit on their own, which is even more perfect. Put on your earphones and be editing your video. Make sure you're aware of your bus stop. You don't want to miss your bus stop, okay? But just make sure you are editing as you go. And you can even edit during your lunch hours if you're the type that actually edit from your laptop. I know you might be like, you don't want to edit on the bus because you're using your laptop, but you can actually edit during your lunch hours. For example, you would normally eat your food between 5 minutes or 10 minutes. The rest minute, use it to edit. It doesn't mean you can actually edit everything at once. It doesn't mean you are supposed to be editing 10 minutes video and you will finish all of the 10 minutes video during your lunchtime or while you're on the bus. No, you won't finish it just means cutting away some time. You can actually do half of the editing. Anytime you find yourself less busy, edit. Don't be like, okay, because I'm posting the video on Tuesday, I need to edit on Monday. That is one thing that is so wrong. You get so tied up and sometimes end up not even uploading that video because you were not able to like edit. So that's why I say edit as you go. So that's how I do mine. That's why I'm always posting videos. These are my secrets. These are the things I do. So my fifth tip, which is another tip that I actually love, is to actually make your thumbnail just any time. I know thumbnails actually take your time. Sometimes you post your videos and because you've not made your thumbnail, maybe you're supposed to make that video public on Tuesday, but because you were not able to get your thumbnail ready, because trust me, thumbnails can actually take time, especially if you're not getting what you want. It will really take your time when it comes to thumbnail. Again, like my fourth tip, you can actually edit your thumbnail just anytime. I have made my thumbnails many times on the bus. I have made them during my lunchtime. I've made them anytime I'm free. So you can always make your thumbnail. Just start it and go back to it. You can keep testing different thumbnails. Sometimes I edit my thumbnails before I go to bed. This is what I do a lot. So this is one thing you can do. Always make your thumbnails ahead of time. Don't always wait till the day you're uploading your videos. This is one time I'll tell you guys, you don't have to wait till the day you're publishing that video before you're going to make your thumbnail. You can always make these things anytime. It helps you save time and it will help you be very, very consistent on YouTube. So my sixth tip, which is another important one, is to always make your B-rolls anytime you are free. I know sometimes whenever you're editing, that's when you want to be putting all of those stuff or be like looking for what you want to put on your video, another footage that you want to put. No, again, you can always look for these things ahead. Get them ready ahead of time. If you know I am going to be putting food picture or food footage or another food video on my video once I'm editing it, don't wait till the day you're editing. That's when you'll be looking for it. Always look for it ahead of time. Prepare all of those things ahead, and once you're editing, everything will be so easy for you. So all you need to do is to just be putting them in. The same thing goes with your music. Always prepare your music ahead of time, because editing will also take time for you not to be consistent. Because if you're thinking how long it's going to take you to edit a 10 minutes video, 20 minutes video, you'll be like, okay, no, I'm not ready to post this video. I'm not free to edit. So those things will also take your time. Make sure you prepare your B-rolls and all of those things ahead of time. It will really help you to be consistent on YouTube. So my seventh tip is to use the YouTube schedule features. So why do you need to use this? Because this will help you to be consistent. Again, let's say you have filmed like 2 or 3 videos like I asked you to do, and then you've edited all of those videos and it's time for you to publish them. So you can always schedule them. Be like, today I will post this one, next week I'll post the next one, next week I'll post the third video, and all of that, so you can schedule them ahead, and then you won't become inconsistent on YouTube. So once you schedule all your videos ahead, this will help you to be very, very consistent. And also because once those ones are already scheduled, you are free to make another one. You can even like have a free week without making anything, because you already have a previous video which you filmed and edited, and then all you need to do is to just make that video public for your viewers to see, for your subscribers to see, and they'll be like, oh my god, this YouTuber is very, very consistent. They don't know that you have done a lot. So those things will really help you to be consistent on YouTube. These are the 7 tips that I myself have really used to be consistent on YouTube. These things really help me. Again, I want to say something. It doesn't matter where you are, you can always film anywhere. A lot of you will be like, okay, because I am not in my regular or my usual background, the place I normally film my videos, and I'm in another place, I cannot film there. No, you can always film anywhere. Even if you're not in your house, maybe you're in a friend's place or you travel, you can film there. To even make it more classic, you can even tell them, oh, right now I'm in Dubai and I just decided to like update you guys on the video. You know, you can just make it like a vlog. It is always welcome. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.